10 Benefits of Turn 401k into Gold IRA with $700,000 for retirement. In retirement planning, diversifying your investments is key. Converting a traditional 401k into a Gold IRA, especially with $700,000, can be a smart move. Here are 10 benefits. 1. Diversification adds a tangible asset, reducing reliance on stocks and bonds. 2. Hedge against inflation. Gold maintains its value over time, protecting against inflation. 3. Wealth preservation. Unlike paper assets, gold isn't affected by corporate failures or market crashes. 4. Tax advantages. Potential for tax-deductible contributions and tax-deferred growth. 5. Market volatility protection. Gold often rises when stock markets fall, balancing your portfolio. 6. Global demand. Limited supply and high demand keep gold's value stable. 7. Liquidity. Easily converted to cash without significant loss. 8. Tangible asset. Provides security as a physical investment. 9. Long-term stability. Historically stable and valuable, offering peace of mind. 10. Estate planning. Gold can be easily transferred to heirs, ensuring a legacy. Converting a 401k into a Gold IRA with $700,000 can enhance your retirement strategy through diversification, inflation protection, wealth preservation, and more. Consider gold's enduring value for a stable and secure retirement. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.